The Big House, Book 6.1. This is a big house. Can you see the big green tree? This is the back of the big house. Can you see some things to sleep on? Can you see a big orange and blue umbrella? This is the garden next to the house. The garden is green. There is a playhouse in the garden. Can you see an apple tree? There are some red and green apples on the tree. These playthings are in the garden. It is good fun to go on them and to play with them. At the end of the garden, there is a garden dump. Can you see these things on the garden dump? Some apples, a brown box, an egg with a crack, some ink, a letter, a rock, a black spring, a red ribbon, a yellow van with a bump in it, a tin can. Next to the dump there is a big tree. There are some things under the tree, and there are some things up in the tree. Can you see them? There is a house up in the tree. It is a tree house. Can you see the yellow letterbox? There are some words on it. They are in orange letters. Can you read them? Egan Greenback. Egan Greenback lives in the tree. He goes to sleep in the tree house. He is in the tree now. He is next to the tree house. Now Egan Greenback is coming down from the tree. He is coming down to the garden. Jump! Egan drops down. This is Egan Greenback. His back is green. Egan is happy to see his playthings. He picks some up. He puts some down. He jumps onto a rock. Egan gets back into his tree. He goes into his tree house. He is going to stop there and get some sleep. Can you see Egan jumping up onto his mattress?